country people, and welcome back to my channel today. Phyna don't come out, continue to dey drag Multichoice, and she don't name the brands where we say they owe her. And also, some fans, Bella fans and Sheggz fans don't come out, can't drag them for not supporting Phyna publicly. So, as we all know, a few days ago, Phyna come out to come call out Multichoice, say Multichoice they owe her, all those type of things. So today, she can't come out this morning, just can't drop petition against them. So this na the petition wey be say she drop. When you have the time, you go just go through am. So as she drop that petition finish, come still come out come warn them say she go still sue them for defamation of character for wetin happen during their reunion. So the brands wey be say she come out come call out say they owe her na Quidax Global. Quidax na suppose give her 1 BTC, that's 1 Bitcoin, and 7up bottling company, that one they say that one na Pepsi. Travel Better, the trip to Dubai wey be say they suppose give winner, they not fulfill their promise. And Unique Soap supposed to supply Phyna 1 year, they supposed to give her 1 year supply of Unique Soap. Phyna dey claim say the thing not come out. As she label and finish, she can say later we talk about defamation of character. I want to know why the one clip of the reunion was not aired. What happened to the recordings of the one, and also visits the gang up lawsuit of 100 million from one of their products, when obviously there was a heavy provocation. The one come put laughing emoji. So try to talk about that incident where we say happened for the reunion between her and Chichi, where we say she they claim to say, according to Phyna they claim say Multichoice put her out as the bad person, say they don't show the full clip, say they only show the place where we say she they insult Chichi children, insult Chichi life, all those type of things, where we say it can't be as if Multichoice purposely tarnish her image. So when she can't type all these things finish, she can't go live for Instagram. So the live they very long, so I go just shorten what she talk for the Instagram live, how everything they starts. As I dey talk the story, make una dey look at this picture of the prize where the girl suppose win for the Big Brother. So I go put am for there, make una look the things where be say Multichoice not fulfill, the promises where they not fulfill give the girl. So she say this na the 3rd year after the show when she win am. Say she don't go Multichoice office severally. So they come tell her to say Quidax na that crypto company where be they trade online, where be say suppose give her the 1 BTC. Say the Multichoice tell her to say Quidax they don't back out from the contract, which means they don't withdraw themselves from being sponsor after 4 months. So after they don't do the show finish, 4 months after the show, now they tell her this one. Then she come tell they say no, these people not fit back out. Now gas give me wetin una promise me, not be wetin with the agreement now be this. So as she come they do gragra for, they say she not go gree. They come tell her say okay, make she send her BTC wallet so that they go transfer the 1 BTC give her. Say she can't send them her wallet today, she never see anything for her wallet. She say she not talk anything when they tell her that one. She can't just keep quiet, she just send her BTC what they call her BTC wallet, and they not send her anything. She can't chill. He say for travel better, I say travel better on paying her, because when they after the show, travel better the contract website they signed, they just say na 2 people now they go carry comot, she and 1 person. She could carry anybody, if na her boyfriend, her friend, take go the trip for Dubai. So after the show, travel better call the to say no, say it no fit work like that again. Say now only 1 person I go fit go, only 1 person, which is her. Or maybe if she says she no want go, she will just carry person, say now this person I want make person go in my stead. So she can't wait for travel better to carry her go to Dubai. Say if she call this person, the person got to ask me, she go call another person. She go call another person, the person got to say that same person where I call before me, go back go call her and say that's what they got to do and tonton. She can't stop to the border to call them, she can't chill. She say we not go even know to say since all this time. Say I never give her everything every say she win. The way she dey throw money, the way she dey live extravagant, we go fit to say her life the perfect. We no know to say she na hard work now they push her. She say all those things wey say she dey flaunt now from her hard work. She say everything wey say she dey talk, she get evidence. Say so when reunion come reach, she come tell them to say she no go the reunion because they not give her the thing wey say they promise. Multichoice come tell her to say okay, say if you not come, say they go blacklist you and they go sue am for breach of contract. Now she come tell her to say but una too breach una contract by not giving me the things wey be so una say una go give me now, which means 2 of us breach contracts. Further reveal to say e get the way the thing go even pain her reach, she go start to the call of their name, the organizers of the show. She go call their real name, say but she never want call until further notice. So for the reunion, she come tell her say she no go come with everything wey say they go on. She come tell her say okay, if they want her to come, say make they show her the contract. Say na be the only thing wey be say go carry her go the reunion. I can't tell her to say okay, make she come. Say since say they not even know to say the people, the sponsors never even give her the things, the prizes. Say make she come. Say once she come the reunion, say they go talk about the thing where be say they owe her. Say na so they tell you stay lure her, take come that reunion where be say she comes so. So she come dey explain to say the first day of the reunion say when she reach there they no gree air the first day of the reunion. All of a sudden they come air the second day wey be say she dey give Chichi gbas gbos. So after the reunion say she no talk with the way they take tarnish her name, what type of thing, she keep quiet. Say so she come dey after the reunion she come dey tell them say well say she need say that they give winners show for Multichoice now. For I dey talk about the likes of Lekon, they give Lekon show, they give they not give Whitemoney abi, they give certain people show winners. So she come dey say they never una no give me show after all those things. So she come tell her say well say she wan start cooking show, all those type of things. She pitch her content give them finish. Yes, they ignore her, carry the thing give beauty to Kora, give the people wey be say they won't give, ignore her. So as they no gree put her for show, she move on with her life. Say with the way she come dey behave, Multichoice come blacklist her o. Say they come dey frustrate her life, purposely dey frustrate her life. If una check Efe, una go realize to say those people finish Efe. Say I'm not relaxed. They use scope to finish the boy. If una notice, una dey see Efe picture for Multichoice, una dey see anything about Efe for Multichoice, una no go see am. Multichoice fit get mind open mouth dey tell Phyna to say they go deal with her, they go blacklist her. Make you know wetin don dey go underground since all these years wey be say we no know about. The only reason why wetin come make her vex to start to come out na the fact to say Multichoice they don't they not fit blacklist her, come withhold her money, still they tell people to say they go remove all her picture, all her photo, all her movies from Multichoice, from DSTV. They don't want her whatever anything concerning Phyna for their platform, all those type of things. If they even give her high hope for on a reality TV show, still tarnish her image for reunion, and now come they expect her to keep quiet. Say no, that's why she come out to come they call them out now. Say she made they pay her the 1 BTC, and 1 BTC right now for our Nigeria currency now 90 million naira. So as she can't talk that thing and she do the live finish, talk all the thing wey say she dey talk, Unique Soap come out to come put out a statement. Their statement, this is not a statement that they claim to say they give Phyna the 12 carton of Unique Soap wey be say they promise her, say for the whole year, one carton for each month. So they according to they say na her PA, her former PA wey be say they call Oli, now they give the carton to. So Oli come out, come confirm the thing. This na the message wey be say Oli drop to say see o, it was received. So Oli come say the Unique Soap was delivered to Phyna. They have the address it was delivered to. That was her address. And yes, it was received by me. I was staying in her house as at that time. She confirmed the delivery, just as she confirmed every other thing that was sent to her through me. She had a storeroom where she kept most of those items, and she was giving out some to her visitors as at that time. That was the soap I was using while in her house. The soap also served some domestic purposes for her. So as Oli put out this statement confirming the thing, Phyna come out again, come say no, you and Unique una no go use me take cash cruise. Phyna come out come say, come tag am at Unique Soap, I didn't receive 12 cartons of soap from you. December 7th, I wasn't in Nigeria, and I am not aware of the 12 cartons of soap. I am only aware of the 2 cartons you gave all housemates when we came visiting. I don't know who you delivered to or where you delivered to, but it's scam. Come out, come put out this picture. 7th of December 2022, she was actually in South Africa. So as she dey do all this thing, people come they come out, they call out Sheggz and Bella, say 2 of them not come out to come support Phyna. Say Phyna has always been a supportive friend. Now even Bella the fans, so now they call her out to. I will post the space for you so that the doubting Thomas no come time we say na lie. So I will post the space so now go listen to it they talk. According to them, they say they somehow say Sheggz and Bella not publicly come out to come support Phyna, since they always support anything where be say they do. To me, I understand why Sheggz and Bella no go fit support Phyna, because Sheggz na person wey be say Multichoice always call back. If una check for Reassessing of Lagos, Sheggz appear for them. You don't expect Sheggz to fight Multichoice because Phyna dey fight Multichoice. I just feel say na the best move na and Bella do, staying out of these battles, because Multichoice na from wetin we don hear they blacklist people. Once they blacklist you, you no fit appear for anything for their television, for their show, nothing. So I just believe to say Sheggz they see they think of their own self. the way every normal human being go actually feel. Some people they always go out for their friends, while some they always dey behind the line dey support them for back. Make una lis ten to wetin dey talk for una sef.
Go teach you lesson. Not be every person go teach you.
Bella and Phyna, I know they were once. No, Bella, you are my buddy. Tweet something, okay? Sheggz, I love you. Tweet something. Fucking tweet something.
Lesson. Stay on your own. You must not fight every battle.
Phyna is not my cup of tea. I do
I don't care
support
for her.
her.
I don't care for Phyna. But
my first love on that level of was beauty. And then beauty was disqualified, and then I started supporting Sheggz and Bella.
Let's be truthful for once. They need to support this girl at this point.
But at this point, Phyna, they always buy markets when no be
She always buy
just tweet something.
their business.
Because of this market that she was buying, she lost some fans. And then the point is, I don't even think Phyna has I don't think Phyna has fans like that, because all of them will never hear them. Look at Wicked Stella, the way Wicked Stella, some of them will come and track Phyna, and I'll be like, who people supported this girl?
She wanted to do this thing. She packed all her fans.
But you don't forget the way these people will be supporting Phyna. All of them now don't talk to me.
Yes, now they support her through all the bad.
I'm looking at some of their tweets today. They were even dragging Phyna today. Finish on the drag Phyna. Go and check Wicked.
No, they are dragging her because some of them have moved on to driving, right?
So now don't hear wetin dey talk now. So as Sheggz and Bella fans dey drag Sheggz and Bella say they not support Phyna, but wetin be name Whitemoney come out to come chip in im own 2 cents for the matter. According to Whitemoney, im dey claim to say im dey come out dey call out the people wey be say dey owe am to. Im come say, if you know you are owing me as a brand or an individual, pay me o. E get why. Come put hashtag lawsuit loading. So im come put emoji wey wear black glasses. So im just dey cash im own cruise. I'm not sure say Whitemoney get the balls to call out any brand. So maybe im just want chase clout in the moment too. Truth be say, if e be to say Quidax don withdraw from the show or wherever, that means na Multichoice they go hold now, because now they might bring the sponsors. Now Multichoice now tell the fan, the housemates may they play the tax now. Not be the Quidax enter inside Big Brother tell them say they play tax. Now Multichoice now tell housemates say play this tax. Now the Multichoice they punish them if they not play the tax. So they will hold them accountable for everything. If they not fit pay the girl the money, they go need to manage like that. They go court according to everything. Maybe say with the CISO, they go drag the thing. Or Unique Soap, maybe say come out to come put out a statement. If Unique Soap say they don't supply the soap, I believe say they go don't supply, because now big advanced industry, now big industry. Don't fit come out, can they call Phyna, can they lie because of 12 carton of soap. I need to go back, go ask her PA Ollie about that soap, because Ollie don't come and say yes, I collect soap from these people. So Phyna need to go back to go ask Ollie, say where did you keep the soap, to avoid unnecessary lawsuit from the Unique Soap people. Hope Phyna no go listen to people wey be say dey online wey dey ginger her say go continue. I just hope say she go calm down, reason this matter well, so that she no go make mistake. Una take care, una bye.